The ultimate failure. All the divine prophets, messengers, messiahs that have come up till now since Adam were never sent to free the humans but were sent to trap the humans into either religion or spirituality, so that the humans do not go to God when God truly comes into our multiverse and to the humans. The king of this universe, who is the fallen son of God, knew that one day God was going to come in his domain, but did not know when. God made his presence known in 2015. Till then the humans had only one option: to worship their so-called God, who proclaimed himself as the ultimate, as Mahadev, Allah, Father, Yehovah, Ahura Mazda, Vaheguru, and so on. In August 2023, the work of God, which started in 2015, was completed, and the door in the 11th dimension was opened for all the souls to go back home. Today, God is granting all souled humans their final lifetime. As God leaves this multiverse, there will not be any need for any kind of religion or spirituality, which as such was not given to the humans for their well-being, but to keep them bound, so that they do not go to God when God comes to them. Humans were bound in three ways: materialism, greed of pleasure in this life; religion, greed of pleasure in afterlife; and spirituality, the ultimate greed of peace, bliss and oneness. The first was achieved through control, the second through devotion, and the third through detachment. With God leaving at some point, the first will transform into greater control games, and the other two will vanish. The need for divine prophets, gurus and messengers are over since God has already come. Whatever work they did in the past could not stop the work of God. The king and everyone down the line miserably failed. The work of God is to facilitate the souls to go back home and collect the energy bodies of the humans when the soul humans die. The humans will not understand God's work because they do not have the perceptive and cognitive abilities that this human is graced with. Nothing with God is divine, holy or whole. With God there are no teachings, no rituals, no practices, no one to follow, nothing to join, no one to serve or worship, no one to please or appease, nothing to believe, nothing to add to your identity, no righteousness, no point of view, nothing to debate or convince, no brownie points to earn, nothing to become, reach or achieve. You either know or you don't know. Humans will mostly not know about God and God's work, but there is no need for them to know. Those who know will know how 10,000 years of meticulous planning, preparation and execution has gone down the drain.